Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out earnings surprises on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the markets button down below, which is the second option, and click on earnings surprise in the middle of the screen on the right side. Here you can find two categories, beyond expectations and below expectations. Tap on the relevant one and you can see a very detailed chart including the symbols, the spark charts, the surprise in percentage, the loss price, percentage after release, release time, actual EPS, market cap, and P&E. And other information if you are interested in it in more details. Tap on the relevant symbol to check out in more depth. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.